Welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we have a nice Rancilio. He came here for a really weak steam. We descaled it and deep cleaned it. And let's try the steam. That was the main issue. And it's working perfectly. As you see, very strong. We did the descaling, and while we were working on it, we found a couple burnt wires that we replaced with the new ones, with the new connectors as well. You can see here, both of them are burnt. And switch the gasket, the screen, deep clean, back flushed again, and it's working beautifully. There we go. And it's ready to go. Please don't forget to subscribe and come check out our beautiful brand new selection of beautiful machines. And thank you.